This update is huge. It's killing me.
Just got an email from a huge Fortune 500 company.
Stuff is happening.
Discussing a potential partnership with a massive company.
So we've got a huge amount of influencer marketing potentially happening very, very soon.
So I don't know whether there's going to be an acquisition offer. I've honestly got no idea, but this is some really exciting stuff. It has been a wild ride building ChatIQ, but now I really need to start working on improving the product, otherwise my competition is just going to walk away from me. So to keep up, I'm going to need to learn how to code.
The plan is to basically build a API, essentially, that I can then call from the front end of my app. So we'll see what happens, but stuff is happening.
Up until now, everything I've done has been using no-code tools.
I have spent all day so far talking to influencers, so we've got a huge amount of influencer marketing happening very, very soon. So far we're bringing on about, 50 customers per day, but now we're at the exciting part. At the moment I'm putting together a wireframe. Everything is going to be organised by file.
So for example, we've got 3 files selected. We're going to create a chatbot. In this interface here, we're going to have the chatbot that we can talk to, and then we can also embed it. Okay, something seriously exciting has just happened. I've just got an email from a huge Fortune 500 company. Basically, he literally just sent, "I'd love to connect with your CEO and learn more." So I shot back an email and he said, "Thanks for letting me know. I'd love to learn more about your business and discuss potential partnerships." Honestly, I do not know what to expect from this, but this is some very exciting news. They are huge. This is a huge company, and this has come at just the time where I'm building the new update. Okay, so he's just booked in a call for next Monday. This is actually beginning to stress me out. I'm going to try and not think about this. I want to see how much of this new update I can get done so I can show them. I googled him and he's basically like the head of partnerships and marketing and acquisitions at this company. So I don't know whether there's going to be an acquisition offer. I don't know whether it's just going to be a sort of chat and see. I've honestly got no idea, but this is some really exciting stuff.
So today is Monday, the 3rd of July today. I obviously just had the call this morning with this huge Fortune 500 company who are interested in just talking, starting a conversation about ChatIQ. So no idea what's going to happen with that, and I've spent the last hour just trying to process it all in my head. And the problem is I'm guessing as to what could happen. So I'm going to push that out of my mind for a bit, wait to hear back from them and just see what happens there. So now I wanted to update you though, because the first influencer posts are now going live. This first one is just cheap promotion. So this is the account that's doing the promotion for us. This is the first video he's posted. It's got 113 views. Because he's reposting it, it's possible it won't get many views, so he's just going to keep reposting content until we get the 20,000 views. Because I've set up the promotion to be a bonus structure, and this is to give the influencer incentive to get me more views. So he's also got another Instagram account here, and he's posted one of my videos as well on there. Exciting times. We shall see. I'll keep you updated. If I hear back from this other company, I'll also keep you updated. It's been a few days since I've spoken to you guys. There's been some huge updates, but obviously I'm talking to the CEO of this $300 million a year company. That will be happening on Thursday. It's now Tuesday, so I'm frantically trying to get this new update out. So I'm just going to show you what the new update looks like. It's not fully functional at the moment, but this is the chatbot dashboard area that you log into. You have obviously the ability to delete it if you want to. You can also upload new data from here. Now, here's the cool part. If I want to build a chatbot, I can click create a chatbot. It gives me all the information to then build the chatbot. I can then add in additional files, or I can delete the files I've selected. Click on chatbots, it will then load up. So this is a complete game changer, because before you could have one chatbot on all of the data that you upload. Now you can upload as much data as you like, then you can build as many chatbots as you want. But what I'm really excited about is this section in the middle. This is the information the chatbot is using to give you the answer, which I think is going to be so cool. You can also see what data is currently active, and then this is the physics chatbot. You will be able to delete them. So we're getting there. There's a lot to do. You can still embed the chatbot in your website. It would look something like this. The design isn't fully finalized, but yeah, we're getting there. And oh god, this is a huge update, and it's going to be quite a big release when I do this, because we've got a huge email list of about 10,000 people. So I'm going to do a massive blast about the new update. So I'm hoping this is going to completely transform the direction of ChatIQ. So stay tuned for that. It's 10:30. It's 13 hours. I started work at about 8:30. It's 10:30 now, but took about an hour's break. This update is huge. It's killing me. I don't know if you can see how red my eyes are looking at the screen. But we're almost done with the bulk of it. We've still got the settings section to do, and debugging, which is a whole different ball game.
So if we just do an example, we're going to say hi, and we'll send that over. I've created an entire new animation as we're waiting for a response, and it comes through. And you can see here, if we're logged in on a different account, we can also see the same thing as well, which is pretty cool. So I've been testing around on this computer just to make sure that the sizing works. Obviously there's a few changes and things that I need to make sure this works. So yeah, things are happening slowly, but we're getting there.